Say hello. There's my crazy wife. So, you're wondering what it's like in Branson, Missouri in January. I'm going to rotate the camera around and show you. We are in downtown Branson. It's January 26th, hon? Or 27th? It's the 27th of January, downtown Branson. And really, this is what you get. A bunch of empty streets. I mean, it's lunchtime and there's cars here, but for the most part, February, March, April, all these streets would be full of people. It's just not tourist season now. So downtown Branson, Missouri with my wife. Gonna walk around and take some pictures. Just another check-in. We're on our little walk. We usually do a daily walk at the landing, but today we chose Branson downtown. We're passing the Vintage Market now. It's about 50 to 55 degrees, and again, there just aren't many people on the streets this time of year. Straight in front of us is the Branson Landing parking lot. The Hilton. And we're coming up to one of our favorite sushi places in Branson, Momo. Passing Momo's Sushi Grill. A few people on the road. In another month and a half, everything will be packed again. You can see the flags blowing in the wind. It's a beautiful day, but it is windy. Starbucks. Light traffic. Main Street is pretty quiet. Branson Convention Center. We are at Commercial and College Street. Again, it is really quiet for Branson. If you want to visit Branson during tourist season, everything's open and all the shows are going, but if you just want to take a leisurely stroll, and 80% of the shops are open still, come on down and visit in January. Great time to be here. I don't know how much I'm going to add to this video, but be sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to grow this channel. We're going to do all of our road trips on YouTube, but the majority is going to be right here where we live in Branson, Missouri. Thanks for watching.